Hi, my dear students. I am Lakshman, Faculty of Chemistry. Today we discuss about polymers. Nowadays, polymers plays an important key role in our lives, like plastic buckets, cups and saucers, toys, packaging bags, synthetic clothing materials, insulators, switchboards, and etc. Maximum compounds are made up by polymers in our lives. So today we discuss about polymers. What is polymer? Polymer is a bigger molecule. Polymer is a bigger molecule. So polymer is a bigger molecule. The term polymer is obtained from Greek word. Poly means many, mers means units. Poly means many, mers means units. Mers means units. Many units. Many units. That means many chemical components, many organic components, many organic units are combined. Both are combined. Many organic compounds are combined to form a large molecule. To form a large molecule, bigger molecule, macromolecule, that is called macromolecule, that is called polymer. Many units, many organic components combined to form large molecule or bigger molecule or macromolecule, that is called polymer. So polymer is defined as very large molecule. Polymer defined as very large molecule having high molecular mass, 10 power 3 to 10 power 7 microns. It is also referred as macromolecule. It is also referred as, okay. For example, polythene. It is a polymer. Polythene is a polymer. Polythene is a polymer. It is obtained by addition of ethylene molecules, n molecules of ethylene. Polythene is obtained by the addition of n molecules of ethylene. N molecules of ethylene molecules are combined to form a large molecule, that is called polythene. How many molecules are combined? N molecules are combined. N number of molecules, number of ethylene molecules are combined to form a large molecule with covalent bonds. These are covalent bonds. These bonds are migrated towards right side and left side, then combined, and molecules are combined to form polythene. This is called the square. This bracket is indicates number of n molecules are combined together. So n indicates number of ethylene molecules, CH2 molecules. This is called polythene. It is obtained from n molecules of ethylene. So n molecules of ethylene, many ethylene molecules are combined. Many n molecules mean many ethylene molecules combined to form large molecule, that is called polymer. So ethylene forms polythene. Ethylene forms bigger. Poly means many, combining many So it is called polythene. So what is monomer? Monomer means in the formation of polythene, large molecule, in the formation of polythene or large molecule or bigger molecule, the simplest molecules, the simplest or smallest molecules are combined to form large molecule. The smallest molecules are combined to form large molecule. This smallest molecule is called monomer. In the formation of polymer, the smallest repeating unit is called monomer. In this example, polythene example, ethylene is a monomer of polythene because of it is a smallest repeating unit. So which are linked to one another by covalent bonds. Which are linked to one another by covalent bonds. They are linked to one another by covalent bonds. Okay. Next, polymerization. The process of formation of polymer. The process of formation of polymer from monomers is called polymerization. The process of formation of polymer from monomers is called polymerization. సో మోనోమర్స్ నుండి పాలిమర్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి ఒక కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయాలి. ఏ కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్ అయితే మనం ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటామో ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో పాలిమర్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి చేసే ప్రాసెస్ మొత్తాన్ని ఏమని పిలుస్తారంటే పొలిమరైజేషన్ అని పిలుస్తారు. పొలిమరైజేషన్, ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ పాలిమర్ ఫ్రమ్ మోనోమర్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ పొలిమరైజేషన్. Okay, this is called process. Classification of polymers. Classification of polymers. Polymers are classified into different ways.